Ever wondered how a do-while loop works in JavaScript? It's a fascinating concept that takes the while loop up a notch. First things first, let's demystify the do-while loop. It's eerily similar to the while loop, but it comes with a surprise. The do-while loop will always execute its code block at least once, even if the condition is initially false. After the first iteration, it simply carries on as long as the specified condition remains true. The syntax of a do-while loop? It's a piece of cake. Imagine a JavaScript code like this: do while condition. There are two main components here. First, the code block. This is the chunk of code enclosed in curly braces that will be executed at least once, no matter what the condition is. Second, the condition. It's the expression that is evaluated after each run. If the condition turns out to be true, the loop keeps going. But if it results in false, the loop calls it a day. Output. Here are some examples to make things crystal clear. In the first example, a simple do while loop is used. It starts with a variable I set to 0. The loop goes on printing the value of I and incrementing it by 1 as long as I is less than 5. In the second example, a do while loop processes user input. The loop continues to prompt the user for a number greater than 10. If the user obliges, it thanks the user. If the user doesn't, it asks again. In the third example, a do while loop is used to iterate over an array of fruits. The loop continues as long as the counter is less than the length of the array. Inside the loop, each element of the array is accessed using the loop counter, and then the counter is incremented after each iteration. Output. So, what's the takeaway? The do-while loop in JavaScript is a versatile tool. It always runs its code block at least once and then continues as long as the condition is true. It's perfect for situations where you need to process or iterate over data until a specific condition is met. It's a simple yet powerful concept that can take your JavaScript coding to new heights. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and you'll master the do-while loop in no time.